we've just ridden up from Hobart to Campbelltown, which is roughly about 130 kilometres. We're joining the Black Dog Ride today, which is held Australia-wide. It's to raise awareness of men's mental health. Well, actually, not just men's mental health, it's mental health for everyone. Unfortunately, we're all going to be affected by mental health, whether it's yourself, family member or a friend. So it's a great organisation to get behind.
Well, there's 7 suicides a day in bloody Australia. It's ridiculous.
Yes.
Absolutely ridiculous. And there's only one way that we can deal with it, and that's by talking about it.
Yes.
So, you've got a problem, there's no use bottling it up. Seek help. There's plenty of help out there, and there's no use suffering in silence. Let's go and see what's here. So it's a great morning, and the organisers are very happy with the turnout today. We're heading via Fingal to Scarlet, so it's looking so far like a fantastic ride. Okay, so I'm here with Jeremy today, the organiser of the Tasmanian Black Dog Ride. Mate, great turn up.
Awesome turn up, yeah. Very happy with the turn up we've got today.
Do you have any idea how many?
So we had 154 pre-registered.
Yep. And
then at this stage it looks like between 50 and 70 registrations on the day.
That's pretty good, mate. So a couple of hundred.
Yeah, 200
Wow.
plus easy.
Wow.
So we're expecting 220 to 250.
Yeah, so we started out at
Campbelltown. Yep.
And the route was?
We went right out of Campbelltown, onto the Esk Highway, through Avoca, Fingal, St Mary's, down St Mary's Pass, into Scamander, and into this lovely property here.
Absolutely sensational, mate.
Brilliant.
We snuck in here into the garage to get a bit of quiet from outside for this. But, mate, what's your involvement with Black Dog? How did that come about?
So I've been a rider for Black Dog for quite a few years, and then to course it's very close to me. It's not personal, but I have friends and family that's affected. So the role became vacant to be the state coordinator. Said no originally because I was super busy, but then I took it on. So this is my second year, and yeah.
Well, mate, you've done a bloody ripper job.
It's been a good one, this one. I've had plenty of volunteers, plenty of assistance. I can't do it on my own.
Well, the Black Dog Ride's just getting bigger and bigger each year, isn't
Absolutely
it?
is.
I mean, what we know I think there's 5 different Black Dog Rides in Victoria alone.
Exactly right.
So we're from Victoria, there's only one here, and people have come from, I mean, we rode from Hobart.
Yep.
There's people coming from all over Tasmania for this.
There is. So we've got people from the west coast, from northwest, from Burnie, from Bridport, and of course down Hobart, Hewitt, so all around. So our ultimate goal is that Campbelltown will be the destination, and we'll have several rides coming in from points in the state.
That'd be awesome.
Oh, it's going to be great.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic, mate. Well,
this is our first year here,
yeah,
and it's worked out really well. We've got food trucks, we've got an event at the destination, which is made a difference.
Yeah, well, the ride was absolutely perfect, mate. If it wasn't for that little bit of rain as we were coming over the hill, it would have got
Absolutely.
110%, mate.
Yeah,
it was really good.
The weather gods didn't do a bad job.
No, it's been fantastic. I hope they just hold out for a couple more hours for us to get back to Hobart, mate.
It's a nice ride back to Hobart, straight down the east coast.
Yeah. Now, importantly, the reason this whole thing is put together is because we've got 7 men out a bloody week dying in bloody Australia from suicide.
Absolutely.
And it's absolutely lunacy. And the only thing this whole thing is about is bringing some attention to that.
So it's raising awareness, and saying it's okay to talk. It's okay to yell out. If there's something wrong, tell someone. Don't keep it to yourself.
Well, I recently lost a good mate to the Black Dog, mate, and the problem is you wouldn't have had any idea.
No.
You'd have thought he was the happiest bloke in the world, and clearly that's anything but the truth. So this message more goes out to those that are in that position.
Yep.
It's all right for us to ask, but you've got to tell us, people. If you're having problems,
reach out.
100%.
Let us know.
The help is there. The help is there,
It is.
and nothing is that bad. Trust me. There is nothing that's that bad.
There's not, and I'd much rather be woken up at 2 o'clock in the morning with somebody ringing me, wanting to talk, than wake up the next day knowing that I've got to go to a funeral.
100%, mate.
Yeah,
well,
no.
mate, congratulations on today's ride.
Thank you very much. Welcome.
Fantastic.
Welcome.
Thank you. And yes, Tassie's treating us very well so far, mate. We only got off the boat yesterday morning.
Wow.
But it's been a bit of a journey already.
Paradise.
No, it is.
Paradise.
Well.